Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrainingsystem.com. I'm making this video as an introduction to myself and my website, how to navigate my website. So let's get started here. The first thing I want to show is the Forex Factory thread that I have. I opened this thread here in Forex Factory website. Everybody knows about the Forex Factory website now, right? If you are in a trading business. And you see the date is February 2008. So it's almost like 14 years I'm in this business, right? Similarly, I have different other things like, for example, X page, right? Twitter, LinkedIn page, Facebook page. This is the old one. This is the new one, and as well as my YouTube channel. This one, you have like I have almost 1,400 videos on this, a little over 1,300 or 1,400, something like that, right? Obviously, in 14 years, right? And but remember this name. See this My Forest Magic Web. This is how I started the website and this YouTube channel and everything else. Now I still have this name. Website name is different now because my website got hacked, and I needed to open a new one with a different name. So now my website name is creativetradingsystem.com. Another one is elliottwavemaster.com, right? But this is the main website. Now, what's the problem? What's happening right now is that a lot of people are, impostoring me in Telegram. For example, this is the Telegram channel. For example, I'll give you one example. This is the my picture, my name, right? But it is not me. It is somebody defrauding people under with my name, right? So be aware of that. The only Telegram channel I have is with the name of my website, Creative Trading System, and it is only for paid subscribers, right? All of these are they're asking money and this and that. This is all fraud going on with my under my name, right? So this is it. Now let's go take a look at my website. This is my website. Homepage is this, right? And you have little explanation of what you get: monthly subscription, one-on-one coaching. We have 10-hour course and a 5-hour course. Then this is robot that I use to take the trades. It opens the trade, put the SL automatically, whatever you set, 20 pip, 30 pip, 40 pip, right? And then it moves the SL to break even, whatever you set, and then it hit the target and close the trade, whatever you set. All these options are there, and it opens the trade exactly according to my system. According to my system, this is my system. I use a Renko charts here. You can see, and then every single trade, you have trade after trade after trade, thousands of trades, but you see every single trade is exactly the same, exactly with the same conditions, right? This is a go to on the 30th August. You see this, how beautiful it is all the way down. And this just like that, opposite way, USD yen, this one taken from the 7-minute chart, So this is a system that, you must learn. And then you can use this EA perfectly. And it is such a big help. It is like 90% automated. It's just, you have to take it out when the market is ranging in the low volume. You don't want that to happen, on the chart. That's it. Now, this page is monthly subscription here. You go here and then you will see that, monthly subscription, 6 weeks, 6 months, and a yearly subscription, and what you get with that, right? And then you have a, sale going on right now. Labor Day, which is the Labor Day weekend right now, right? Saturday, Sunday, and Monday is Labor Day. So, everything is 50% off. Big discounts here. Take advantage of that. One-on-one course, I have 10-hour course and a 5-hour course, right? So similarly, you go there and then you see that if you want to learn from A to Z what this trading business has to offer, like for example, Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, SNR level, trend line, how to use Fibonacci tool properly, right? Every single thing I teach is here, and the right way. It is very important to learn the thing the right way, right? So again, like I said, that big sale is going on right now. Take advantage of that. Here you can find my recent trades that I took. They are there, and my before and after charts, my analysis, right? This one here has 2 courses, very powerful courses: Elliott wave course and harmonic course. So like for example, harmonic course here, you will learn all about different harmonic patterns, how to use them, how to find them first of all, and how to calculate them properly, how to identify when it is cooking and even before it is finished, right? For example, this is a video, all these patterns and then these things. This is, see how many fibs I have, different fibs. So it is very important to learn how to use, fibs properly. And these are the patterns here, this one. And I have a video here explaining every single thing about this, how to find, how to calculate, and how to trade. So on and on and on and on. You have you learn about every single thing, how to mix harmonic pattern and Elliott wave together. Here, you see that it is explained here. So this is how it is, right? So this is a course for a harmonic pattern, and exactly the same way you have the other one. It's like Elliott wave course, right? And these are my CTS 5 alarm, and there's not the alarm, the robot. I have the alarm version as well, and this is the robot, and this is also a robot, automatic trading robot, CTS sniper, right? So both are available here. And this tab is just videos. So videos that I make, like this one I'm making, and it's going to be here as well. This is contact page, and this is my blog. This is testimonial. That's it, right? So this is the website. So I hope to see you joining my group and attending my webinars. By the way, I do webinars twice a week for my subscribers, right? Where I go over charts and setups and everything for the next coming week. And then we take it from there. And then Wednesday comes, again, a webinar. Sunday, 4 p.m. and Wednesday, 4 p.m. And then I record the webinar and then I send out to all my subscribers later on. Whoever cannot attend can watch the webinar later, right? So this is it for now. It's me and my website, how to navigate my website. And I will post that video here in place of this video. Okay, this one. So once I upload on the YouTube, because I have to make a new one because my Omar is making changes in the website, and then you sale and this and that. So I have to explain everything. So and that's why I'm making the new video. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and you get all the good videos and setups and all of that on time. Right. So bye for now, and hopefully talk to you guys later soon.